Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Namita and I welcome you all to my channel Learning Maths with Namita, where we learn maths concepts in a very clear and simple way. So in our previous video, we learned place value in two-digit numbers, right? And today we are going to learn place value in three and four-digit numbers. That is for hundreds and thousands place value we are going to learn today. All right, so let's move ahead and start with our topic. So before coming to hundreds and thousands, let's quickly recap ones and tens digit number. So like we discussed, there are single digit number like 8, 2, 0, and then there are two digit numbers like 17, 41, 98, right? So here we have just one digit in these numbers, and here we have two digits in a number. So 17 is a number, but it has two digits. So these digits are placed at ones and tens. These are the place values, right? So let's create a table. So rightmost digits is always for ones, and the left one next to it is tens place. Okay, this much we have already discussed. Now what if we have a number like 193 or 247, 901, any three digit number, right? So we know this is ones place, this is tens place, then what is this? This is hundreds place. Okay, so there is going to be one more column here and it will be named as hundreds. Okay, so let's take 193, 193. Okay, so this is at ones. We will write 3 at in ones column. 9 is at tens place, so we will write 9 in the tens column. 1 is at hundreds place, so we are going to write 1 in the hundreds column, right? Now we already know that the digit which is at ones place is multiplied by 1, right? So 3 will be multiplied by 1. 9 will be multiplied by 10 because this is at tens place. Now comes the hundreds place value. So whichever digit you have at hundreds place, that will be multiplied by 100. Okay. Now we will add all these three. So 1 multiplied by 100 plus 9 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Okay. So we get 100, then 90 added to 3. So it becomes 193. 193. Alright. How do we write it in word? This is numerical form, right? It will be written as 100 because this 1 is at which place? Hundreds place, right? So 100, and we don't use any sign here because we are not writing it numerically, right? This was the expanded form. 100, then 9 tens, 9 tens and 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones because 3 is at ones place. Okay, I hope this is clear with you. Let's practice it with one more example. Okay, let's take 901. All right, so the number we have is 901. So ones place tens place and hundreds place, right? Let's create a table. Ones, tens and hundreds. You always have to remember that the rightmost digit will be ones place. And as you move towards left, it increases. Tens, then hundreds. After hundreds, we'll get thousands. Okay? So write the digit in their respective columns. 1 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, 9 is at hundreds place, right? And we are going to multiply them now. 1 will be multiplied by 1. 0 will be multiplied by tens. Yes, because it's a tens place, so we'll multiply it by 10. And 9 will be multiplied by, very nice, 100. Okay, let's solve it further. So 9 multiplied by 100 becomes 900, plus 0 multiplied by 10 becomes 0, because any number you multiply by 0, you will get 0, right? 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So it becomes 901, 901, correct? Alright. Now, let's discuss one more digit in this number. This is a 3-digit number, right? This is a 3-digit number. Let's make it 4-digit number. So before that, let's move to our previous number. The number was 193, right? Now let's suppose we add one more digit to it. Okay, let's suppose I add 2. Okay, so this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this will be thousands, right? So we need one more column. The number of digits in your number tells you how many columns you will have in your place value chart, right? So there are 4 digits now, so we need to create one more column and it will be thousands. Okay, and what digit we have at thousands place? We have 2. Okay, so we'll write 2 here. Now what will be multiplied to 2? Any guesses? Give it a try. Thousands. Okay, this is thousands place, so it will be multiplied by 1000. Okay, all right, so now let's create it separately so that you don't get confused. I just wrote it here so that you know that how 3-digit and 4-digit number varies, right? How one more digit is added and accordingly one more column is added and the number becomes totally different, correct? So we'll keep the number same. All right, okay, so the number we have is 2193. Okay, so let's write our number here, 2193. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. We need a table, so, and we need 4 columns. We will start from the rightmost column. We will write ones, then comes tens, then comes hundreds, and then comes thousands. Okay, let's write hundred more clearly. Okay, let's write the digits in the respective column. 3 will be written in ones column. Okay, 9 will be written in tens column, ones will be written in hundreds column, and 2 will be written in thousands column. Correct? Let's multiply them. 3 will be multiplied by 1, 9 will be multiplied by 10, 1 will be multiplied by 100. 2 will be multiplied by 1000 because it is in thousands place, right? Let's solve it further. 2 multiplied by 1000, 1 multiplied by 100, 9 multiplied by 10, and 3 multiplied by 1. And we will add them. So it becomes 2000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 3. So the number becomes 2193. Okay? I hope you are getting a clear idea about the place values, right? So in this video we learned about the place value in hundreds place and thousands place. Means 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Alright? Now following the same process I want you to try few more numbers, because the more you practice, the more clear understanding you will have. Okay? All right. So I'll give you some numbers to practice with. Okay? In 3-digit numbers, I would say try for 101 and 266. Okay? 3-digit numbers, do it for 4906 and 1212. Okay, these are the 4 numbers that you have to make a place value chart, and then you have to find out which digit values what. Okay, make a place value chart. It will be easier for you to understand and to explain also. So these 4 numbers and the 4 numbers that I have given you in the previous video to practice for. In the next video, I'll solve all of these numbers so that you can cross check and make sure that you are doing it the correct way. And that's how you'll be confident that you have understood the concept very nicely. So thank you so much for today's video, and I hope you guys will practice. See you in the next video. Bye bye.